meaning to recognize the things that are important. And I hope that this recognition will not only end in merely seeing, but hopefully it will also lead us into doing something. And so the end for us is not so much about being able to see reality as it is or receiving a kind of a vision, a gift from God, but the end is always to be able for us to do something about the reality that God is making us see.